Good morning, my dear students. Today I have come with a new chapter of Unit 3, that is operating system. Students, first of all, you have to know what is an operating system. An operating system is a software that serves as an interface between the user and the computer. Students, if I have to give an instruction in the form of data to the computer, then I must have to install the OS and then the application software. Students, there are different functions of operating system, like it manages all the devices of a computer and keep tracks of the status of the device, whether it is busy or not. It also checks whether the device is functioning properly or not. It also controls software resources of the computer. It manages the computer's memory and keeps track of which memory space is in use by which program and which space is free. It manages the structure of the files and directory on a computer system. It keeps track of the amount of disk space used by a specific file. It allows you to create, copy, move, and delete files. Now, here you can see the different functions of operating system. First one, I'm going to deal input output management. Students, what output will come from the input given by the user? The operating system runs this program. This management involves coordinating various input and output devices. It assigns the function of those devices where one or more applications are executed. Now, the next one is memory management. The operating system handles the responsibility of storing any data, system programs, and user programs in memory. This function of the operating system is called the memory management. Next one is file management. The operating system is helpful in making changes in the stored files and in replacing them. It also plays an important role in transferring various files to a device. Next one is your processor management. Yes, what is the processor management? The processor is the execution of a program that accomplishes the specific work in that program. It can be defined as an execution unit where a program runs. Next. Now, students, the next part is job priority. Yes, the work of job priority is creation and promotion. It determines what action should be done first in a computer system. Next is Special control program. The operating system makes automatic changes to the task through specific control programs. These programs are called a special control program. Now, the next function is scheduling of resources and jobs. The operating system prepares the list of tasks to be performed for the device of the computer system. The operating system decides which device to use for which task. This action becomes complicated when multiple tasks are to be performed simultaneously in a computer system. The scheduling programs of the operating system determines the order in which tasks are completed. It performs these tasks based on the priority performing the task given by the user. It makes the task, yes, available based on the priority of the device one. Next one is security. It's a very, very important, my dear, because if there is no security, then there is no use of such operating system. Okay. So here security is what? Computer security, yes, is a very important aspect of any operating system, either it is the Windows, Linux, Unix, whatever you can say. The reliability of an operating system is a security system that monitors every activity happening in the computer and blocks that activity, okay, in case of any threat. Okay. Next one is monitoring activities. The operating system takes care of the activities of the computer system during various processes. This abort the program if these are or if there are errors. Okay, the operating system sends instant messages to the user for any unexpected error in the input output device. And the last one is job accounting. It keeps track of time and resources used by various jobs and users. Now, next, I will be discussing the types of operating system. You know, there are different types of operating system. Okay, now that I have shown here, first one is the interactive, that is GUI based operating system. Single user, single task operating system. Next one is single user multitask operating system. Next one is multi-user, and the second last, that is real-time system and the distributed, yes, operating system. Okay, but before that, students, you have to know the types of operating system. There are different types of operating system. You must have heard about the DOS, Disk operating system, which is CUI based operating system. Next one is the Windows. It is an operating system that is developed by Microsoft company. It is GUI based operating system. Next one, you have your Linux. It is an operating system designed for personal computers. It is free and open source software. Okay, you have the mobile operating system. You must have seen such operating system in your, yes, a smartphone like Android, yes, Symbian, yes, a Windows phone, yes, iOS. Okay, now I'm going to discuss the different types of operating systems. That is, first one is the interactive GUI based operating system. You can see here I have used the word interactive. Okay, a graphics user interface is a user-friendly operating system in which commands can be entered by clicking, double clicking, right clicking a mouse. Windows operating system is an example of an interactive operating system which we use nowadays, my dear. Next one is single task operating system. This type of operating system allows only one user to do a task on a computer and one thing, yes, at a time. Next one is single user multitask operating system. Friends, this type of operating system is used on desktop computers. Even it is used in laptop, where a single user can operate on several programs, yes, at the same time. Yes, example, you can say Windows operating system and Apple Mac operating system. Okay, next one is multi-user. A multi-user operating system enables multiple user, because here it is used multi means more than one. That means it enables multiple user to work on the same computer at different times or simultaneously. Next one is real-time operating system. Students, a real-time operating system is used to control machinery, scientific instruments like robots, in complex animation and computer, yes, a control automated machine. A real-time operating system is a computing environment that reacts to input within a specific period of time. It manages the resources, yes, of the computer, so that any particular operating work is executed in the same amount of time, yes, every time, yes, it is executed. You have Windows CE and Linux OS are example of real-time operating system. And the last one is your distributed operating system. A distributed operating system runs on a set of computers that are interconnected, yes, by a network. It combines the different computers in the network into a single, yes, integrated computer and storage location. Your Windows, Unix, Linux are the example of distributed operating system. Okay, when I'm talking about the operating system, I cannot forget kernel. So, what is the kernel? You know, is yes, kernel is the central component of a computer operating system. The only job performed by the kernel is to manage the communication between the software and the hardware. A kernel is the nucleus of a computer. It makes the communication between the hardware and the software possible. While the kernel is the innermost part of an operating, a cell is the outer, yes, the most one. Okay, now, Windows 7 operating system. We are going to discuss about this operating system, and in this we will be discussing the different tasks. Okay. So Windows 7, it is an operating system developed by Microsoft and is used on a personal computer. You know, after loading Windows 7, the first screen that you see on the monitor is called the desktop. From the desktop, you can access different components of Windows 7. By default, Windows 7 has a picture for the desktop background. Okay, this is called wallpaper. Small pictures on the desktop are called icons. Yes, you can see this. Wait. Yes, you can see. By default, Windows 7, you can see Windows 7, yes, has a picture for the desktop background. You can see that is your wallpaper. Okay, that is your wallpaper. Now you can see the small pictures, these small pictures. This one, these all you see small pictures. Okay, on the desktop are called your icons. Okay, these icons represent, yes, files, folders, application, etc. At the bottom of the desktop you can see a long bar. This is a long bar. Okay, it is called the taskbar, and to the left of the taskbar is the start button. Okay, now I will be discussing the components of Windows 7. Okay, just have a look on the screen, just to watch it. First, you can see this area, this area. This area is your wallpaper. Okay, now you can see small pictures. You can see small pictures. These all are icons. Here icons, it can be your application, it can be your shortcut key, it can be your file, folder, whatever. Okay, yes. Now you can see, yes, at the bottom, this is your taskbar. At the left you will see the start button, and at the right you will see, yes, the notification area, the system tray, or you can say it. There you have the different working status. Okay, where you will see date as well as time, my dear. Okay, now you can see, yes, see, actually this one is your window which has been explored after double clicking on the my computer. Okay, yes, you can see here, here you have the minimize, maximize and close button, how you want to work with your application. Okay, yes, these are your drives: D drive, E drive. Okay, this one is your CD drive. Even you insert the pen drive, okay, that also drive will show you. Now come to the taskbar. See, this is the taskbar. So first one I will say what is a taskbar. Students, taskbar is the horizontal bar. You can see taskbar is the horizontal bar. Okay, represent, yes, different buttons like start button, date and time, yes, your notification, yes, icons, whatever you can see. To the left of the taskbar you will see the start button. Okay, and to the right you will see date and time. Okay, you can also see icons of active application. If suppose any application which I have opened, yes, that application name also will appear here on the taskbar. Okay, the main component of taskbar is first one, start button. It is located at the left of the taskbar. Clicking on the start button, okay, clicking on the start button opens the start menus and provides access to the program and features. Like it will be shut down, it will be all program, search box, control panel. Shut down, you know it, it allows the user to turn off the computer. All program, it provides access to all the installed program and application. If you have to start an application, you have to click on it. Okay, you have the search box also. Yes, this allows the user to search a file or folder or run executable files. Control panel, yes, this allows the user to change various settings. Now students, now I will be discussing the practical parts. Just first of all, you see the recycle bin. I'm going to discuss what is a recycle bin. It stores your deleted item. Just now you think, as I'm clicking on this, I will be getting all the deleted files. Okay, I'm going to remove first. I'm going to remove these all so that my recycle bin will be empty. Now, see, suppose a file, U is the file. This file I have to delete it. I will click the right mouse button and choose delete, or simply you can select and you can press the delete key. Now, when I will click on delete, where it will go, you know, it will go to the recycle bin. Just now I am going to open it. It has been deleted. Now I can bring it back also by using restore button. It has again come. You can see it has again come. But you can delete this file permanently. For doing this, you must have to click this and press shift and delete. Shift and delete. Yes, this file will come, but this is warning you that the file which you will delete, that will not come back. It will not go to recycle bin. It will be deleted permanently. So I'm not going to do this one because as this file is important for me. Okay. Now students, now the next part that you will see, what is a file. You all know, yes, what is a file? File contains data. And what is a folder? Folder is what? Collection of files and subfolder. Okay. A subfolder may contains one or more files and subfolder within. This allows easy accessibility of files. Files are managed in hierarchy. Okay, this allows you to view the files in the current directory and then move to subdirectory. Now I'm going to discuss how to create a folder. Okay, just you have to click wherever, you know, I'm not saying that only you can create, yes, a file or folder on the desktop. You can click, you can go to any location. Now I will click the right mouse button, I will go to new and I will select a folder. Folder has come, I can give the name. Same way, you can delete the file, select it, click the right mouse button and choose delete. Okay. Now same way you can create the file also, click the right mouse button, choose new. And now here which type of file that you want to create it. I want Microsoft Word file. See, the file has come, but it is empty, my dear. It contains no data. Only the file has come. You see, I am going to give name Ravi. But when I will open, it will not have any information. See, it has no information, my dear. Okay. So later on, you can work on that. Okay. Same way, yes, you can create the shortcut key. Okay. What you will do, you will click the right mouse button, choose new and the shortcut. Okay. Now you can be asking the location. Click on browse. Okay. Now with shortcut key, suppose, yes, computer question paper or pre-board. Okay. And then next. You can give the name, yes, question, and then click on finish. It has come. It has come. So you can create the shortcut key also. Now, now students, I am going to explain how you can be able to, yes, copy this file. Okay, see, simple it is. What you will do, click here and choose copy option, go to any folder. Suppose I want in this folder. In this folder I should paste it. Now see, when I will click on paste, the file which is the shortcut key which is there, that also will show in other location. But let me delete this one. But if I want to remove from here and yes, want to have this shortcut key in other location, then instead of copy I will use cut, and now paste. Now that will go from there. Okay, so this is the use of copy and cut. Okay, students, you can have this, yes, process by, yes, different methods. You can use shortcut key control C for copy and cut control X. Yes, you can do it by other way also. Like suppose I want this file should have, yes, a copy on the same. Then I will select this and I will click the control key and I will move it to other place. You can see the file which I copied that has come here. The original one is here and the duplicate one it is showing here. So again I'm going to explain it how you can perform this work. Okay, let me delete this. First you will go to that file, keep the CTRL key pressed and click and drag it. Okay, so this is called your, yes, copy and paste. Okay, so let me delete it. Now what is move? If I want to move this file from here to other location or to other place on the desktop, then simply I will click and drag it. See, earlier 9 was here, okay, but it has come here. Okay, students, I hope you have understood this all part, okay, of operating system. Thanks a lot, my dear.